What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Josh back with another video. This is a double upload. I hope you guys checked out my last video. I reacted to Cypher 4 by BTS. It was a video that was recommended by one of my subscribers. I appreciate y'all for all the love and support. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when I post. Like this video. Let's get 20 likes, please. I post very consistently. Some days I post 4 videos. Some days I post. Some weeks I post like 15 videos, but I just like to push out a bunch of different content. I got reaction videos, I got singing videos, I got public interviews. Whatever you need, I got it on my channel. Make sure you check me out, please. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, follow me on Instagram, follow me on all my socials. But you ain't come here for that. You came here for the reaction, right? So let's get right into it. This is BTS. I think this is one of the most popular K-pop groups in the game right now. I think so. I just started doing K-pop like yesterday. I posted my first time listening to K-pop, and like these are like all new songs to me. Like I haven't really heard these songs, but like after a while, like you might hear me singing the lyrics, because like after a while I just catch on, you know. But like if you're new here, make sure you hit the bell, subscribe, and like if you got any videos you want me to do, like any songs you want me to react to, like let me know down below, and I react to them like ASAP. I promise I will. But like without further ado, let's get right to the video. It's a nice chill vibe. Hey, 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 hey. I just flow. Hey. Paris. Mariata. Hey, hey. I like the. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know that part. I know this part. Like this. Like this. I can't hit it though. I can't hit it. Let's hit it one more time. Let that marinate. That was dope. That was dope. That was airplane part. Airplane. That was Airplane Part 2 by BTS. I really like that one. I like that one. What you guys think about that one? Do you guys like that one? Let me know down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell so you know when I post again. Make sure you comment in down below more K-pop music. It doesn't have to be from BTS. Anybody, just let me know. Lights went off. Anybody. It doesn't have to be BTS. Anybody that does K-pop music or any type of music genre you want me to react to, just let me know down below. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell. Follow me on Instagram, follow me, everything's down below. Thank you for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Can we get 20 likes, please? Thank you, people, for watching. Have a blessed, wonderful day. Peace out.